Hi, my name is Beth Ellsworth, and I am your child's first grade teacher. So, first, I just wanted to say I'm very sorry that I wasn't able to be there today. I'm feeling much better, so I should be back at school tomorrow. The substitute teacher has mentioned that the kids have been wonderful, and she's very proud of them, and so I am as well. And I was hoping everybody could tell them that I miss them and that I will see them tomorrow. So, I just wanted to answer a couple of questions I know a few people had. Homework. Homework will be coming in a couple of weeks. The first thing that we're going to start out with is spelling words. So the kids will have short A words first, words like cat, hat, ran. That will be located in the front of the folder. We will be practicing those words during the day. So my hope is that families can practice them at night as well. And in the back of the folder, you will see a September book log. We will be sending home a packet that has the short A words also within the reading, so the kids can practice the words while they're reading as well. So those will be two assignments that the kids will have every single day, every single week. You will find the spelling list in the front of the folder and the book log reading in the back of the folder. So the other thing that I'm sure you probably have heard about by now is tokens. There is a pink paper located in the red folder that gives the information about the tokens. They are pennies that I give out to the students. They have a Ziploc bag in their seat sack with their name on it. And then I give out a penny when a student is showing good behavior, making good choices, being kind to one another, sharing their toys. So I give out a token to help reinforce those good behaviors. And then I also take a token if there is a misbehavior. So the students see the relationship between good behavior and bad behavior. The students are able to buy things in the classroom, so it's a little money plan. One token is for a new fancy pencil. It's a pencil that has a design on it. Two tokens, iPads at recess time. They have loved that lately too. That's been a huge thing. Three tokens is for no shoes during the day. They can wear no shoes in our classroom. That's a big thing in the winter time. They get to take their big heavy boots off. And then 20 tokens, what some students will save for is lunch in the classroom. And they are able to bring two friends back with them. So it's nice. Some students save for that big one, and then some students spend as quickly as they get them too. So it's kind of funny to watch. Parent communication. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please let me know. The Class Dojo app is the easiest way and the fastest way to get a response from me. I check it throughout the day. I'm fairly quick with responding with any questions or concerns, any answers I have. Email is also a good way too. I check that all the time. So my email address is bellsworth@srk12.org. Both are great methods to contact me. I will say Class Dojo is something you'll probably get a quicker response from me. So, but either way is great too. The red folder is also another way for communication. If you want to send in bus notes that way, doctor's notes, any kind of paperwork that's coming back and forth, that's a good way to contact me as well. So it is important that the red folder come back and forth every single day. It is one of the responsibilities the kids have when they come into the classroom at 8 o'clock in the morning is to give me their red folder. They place it in a white bucket in the classroom. So I just wanted to say hi, and I hope the year is going really well for you. If you ever have any questions or anything you want to talk about, please let me know. I am going to be doing testing all of this month, finding out their reading levels, what letters and sounds they know for the alphabet, and then what sight words they know. So you might hear about, we did some testing today with Mrs. Ellsworth. That's what that's going to be. So I can report all of those scores when I finish all the testing and do some recording. I can report where we're starting at, and then we can talk about where we're going to go for their progress. So I just want to say hi really fast. If you have anything you want to talk about, please let me know. And I look forward to working with you all this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.